itself has now raised this issue of a cash haul that has taken place because of the ED action in Jharkhand.
आपने देखा होगा, अभी घर जाओगे तो टीवी पे देखना, आज यहां पड़ोस में झारखंड में नोटों के पहाड़ मिल रहे हैं, नोटों के पहाड़। लोगों ने चोरी किया माल पकड़ रहा है मोदी वहां। अब मुझे बताइए, मैं चोरी बंद कर दूं, इनकी कमाई बंद कर दूं, इनकी लूट बंद कर दूं, तो मोदी को गाली देंगे कि नहीं देंगे? देंगे कि नहीं देंगे? लेकिन गाली खा करके मुझे काम करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए? आप मुझे बताइए। मुझे आपकी पाई पाई बचानी चाहिए कि नहीं बचानी चाहिए? आपके हक का पैसा बचाना चाहिए कि नहीं बचाना चाहिए? और इसलिए मोदी ने जनधन खातों, आधार और मोबाइल की ऐसी त्रिशक्ति बनाई कि गरीबों का पैसा लूटना बंद हो गया। अब घर बनाने का पैसा सीधा आपके खाते में, गैस का पैसा सीधा आपके खाते में, मनरेगा का पैसा सीधा आपके खाते में, किसान सम्मान निधि का पैसा सीधा आपके खाते में। यानी सबको लाभ, सीधा लाभ, कोई भेदभाव नहीं। और ये मोदी की गारंटी है।
Well, let me go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, of course, political reactions that have been coming in, but the biggest one on all has been that of Prime Minister Narendra Modi during an election rally. He made a mention of the ongoing ED investigation in Jharkhand.
Well, absolutely. See, the biggest reaction has come in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was speaking at a public rally in Odisha. Now, speaking at the rally, he says that the ED is conducting searches in the nearby state of Jharkhand, and massive amount of cash is being collected. Now, the PM straight away said that it is Modi ki guarantee that the money which has been looted from the people of the country would be returned, and this money would be used for the benefits of the people of the country. Now, at this particular time, Prime Minister says that whenever there is any action from the central agencies where there is corruption done or huge amount of cash is being found, now Prime Minister says that the opposition straight away attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi or attack the BJP government over it. That it is a vendetta politics. But clearly at this particular time, the BJP, time and again, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not only for the first time, but several times has said that people who have looted the money from the country have to be returned at any given cost. And this is a guarantee which the NDA government gives.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.